Hi friends and viewers, welcome to Balnaji's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see egg chops masala. Let's go into the recipe. Just to consume the time, I have boiled the egg already as usual method, like in a boiling water. I have dropped the egg with enough amount of salt and vinegar so that we can get this egg yolk in a yellow color. So that is very important. As a first step, we need to marinate the egg. First, I'm adding turmeric powder, like half teaspoon, chili powder 2 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, then rice flour just to give a coating. I'm adding like 1.5 teaspoon. Then very important, salt half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste like half teaspoon I'm adding along with this. Then 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. I'm adding little water. Make sure the masala is like little tight so that it coats the egg. It should not be so watery. So our like marination paste is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this egg which I have cut into half. Just marinate it. Then we are going to roast this in the tawa. Now I have marinated the egg. See that almost all the spices has got coated with the egg. Now I have added 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Now what we are going to do is just we have to roast the egg, the yolk side down, so that when you tilt it, the yolk won't come out. Like after almost like 60 seconds or 1.5 minutes, we can turn all the eggs, like flip all over it, so that you can see this nice golden brown. The masala got cooked and the yolk, it won't come. So that is very important. Now again cook this egg for another 30 or 40 seconds on the other side, and we have to keep this aside. The second step for the egg chops is we are going to make a kind of paste with onion and whole spices that gives that coating gravy consistency for the chops. So add like 2 tablespoon of oil, then like cinnamon, like 1 inch of cinnamon, cardamom 1 number, and cloves 2 pieces. Then following 1.5 teaspoon of somf, 1.5 teaspoon of peppercorn, 4 numbers of garlic, then 1 teaspoon of cuscus, following 2 big green chili. Everything has to be like stirred for like 1 to 2 minutes. 2 numbers of like a regular red onion, just rough cut. Just to make sure the onion gets cooked, we have to add little salt in this. Cook for 1 minute. Now I have switched off the flame. So what we are going to do is we are going to grind this to a fine paste. Then next step I will show you. So now we are going to make the chop masala, like egg chops masala. For this we have grinded the onion paste. See, and once it comes to the room temperature, we have to grind it to a fine paste like this. So our egg roast is ready. Now we are going to make this masala. For this I have used the same pan. We don't need to wash it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. So initially for tempering, we need to add mustard seeds, little like 1 teaspoon. Once the mustard seeds gets crackled, add like 1 dry red chili, like 1 sprig of curry leaves. Following, we have to add this paste. I have added little water along with this paste. Now you can feel the nice flavor of this cuscus and the cooked onions and our whole spices. Now I'm going to add little more masala, that is of chili powder, like 1 teaspoon. Then garam masala, a pinch. Just cook it for like almost 30 seconds till the raw flavor of masala has gone off. Then after this, we have to add a yogurt. It's It's a very important step. Like 5 to 6 tablespoons of yogurt. All the whole spices and the powdered spices, everything will makes the gravy little spicier. So by adding this yogurt, it compensates the spiciness. So after adding the yogurt, you have to cook for almost like 30 to 40 seconds. Once the gravy gets its boiling point, now you can add the toasted eggs. Just arrange it on the gravy. Cook for another 1 minute. Let the masalas get infused in the egg. Our egg chops masala is almost ready. Now it's time to serve. I'm going to finish this with the coriander leaves. And this egg preparation is very good along with roti, chapati, like naan, or even pulao. Everything it goes well. So I hope you like this video, and I'm going to switch off the flame. Yeah. So I'm going to have this for my lunch, and in future I'm going to like present the videos in English also, so that I can satisfy my international viewers also. So thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe, and in the next session I'm going to come with another interesting recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.